Hi, and welcome to Stamp with Ginny. Today I'm going to share with you this lovely little card made with the Adorable Owls stamp set that you can earn for free during celebration that ends on February 28th. This card is quick and easy to do, so let me set it aside and I'll show you how I got started. Okay, we're going to start with the stamping for this project, and I'm going to bring in a piece of basic white cardstock and my little owl. I'm going to ink him up with the memento and I'm going to stamp. Now I want my little owl far enough into my basic white cardstock so that I can cut him out with a layering circle die. And then I'm going to stamp my friend here just to see where I am with my stamp. I need to raise that up slightly on the right. There we go. And I can bring in my card front. Now for my card front, I'm going to place this piece of cardstock as a mask so I know where I'm stamping, about 1/4 of an inch off the score line. And then I can bring this in and I can raise that side up the way I want it and stamp. There we go. I've got my stamping done and I can start coloring. Okay, I've brought my Stampin' Blends in and I'm going to start with the body of the owl, which I'm doing in gray granite. Now I am going to use the light gray granite first, and I am going to do his face, his ears, and his tummy. After I've got his body done, I can bring in my Calypso Coral Dark and do his beak and feet. And last but not least, I'm going to use my light soft succulent for his eyes. How cute is that? I just love the way the in colors bring out his eyes and his little personality. So I'm going to cut this out with my layering circle and assemble. Okay, I'm going to start by building my card front. I'm going to bring in my card front here and I'm going to fold it on the score line with my bone folder so you can see this a little easier. I'm going to begin with my soft succulent piece. Like we placed it on there for the mask, we're just going to simply adhere that. So I'm going to adhere that down about 1/4 of an inch away from the spine of my card. And of course, you can use your grid paper for that. And then I'm going to decide which side I want for the front. And I think I'm going to go with the stripes. I love the fact that this has got both masculine and feminine images on the designer series paper, so we can kind of choose what we're looking for. There we go. I've got my designer series paper down. And I'm ready to add the scallop circle that I cut out to coordinate with my owl when I was at the Stampin' Cut and Emboss. So I'm going to simply adhere this down right in the center of my card front. And I'm going to flip over my owl and add some dimensionals on the back. I'm going to add 4 for this project. That gives it plenty of support. One more here. And I'm going to set him right down here at a jaunty little angle on that scallop circle. Next, I'm going to add a little bit of shimmer and shine. So I'm bringing in my 2021 In Color Opal Rounds, and these come in all 5 of the In Colors, so it's perfect for a project like this. So I'm going to place one of the large opal rounds right here to the left of my sentiment, and I think I'm going to place a little one. Let's see here. I'm going to place it up there to the top of the card. And the last one I'm going to place right here below the sentiment, kind of moving your eye around the card front. And of course you can add more if you would like. So there you go, a quick and easy card using the Adorable Owls stamp set, which is part of our Celebration product line. And of course, if you'd like any of these products, feel free to stop by my online store. You can get there from my blog, Stamp with Ginny. Thanks for joining me.